Hey, what's up everyone? Thanks for watching. Today I'm in Los Angeles, California at the Brea Tar Pits. Alright, so some of these things are closed right now because it's a little bit late in the day. The observation pit right here, they're closed, so we won't be doing that today. But there's a few more things here that we're going to be doing. So, I mean, I'm going to show you guys what you guys should be doing if you visit Los Angeles. This is one of the places you should be going, the Brea Tar Pits. Alright, so they have this huge rock here. There was an artist, a person, this guy named Michael Munoz. I think I might have his name wrong or right, but I'll put his name down here for you guys. So he has this rock here, and it is about 340 tons. It's a big boulder of granite. I remember when they brought this thing here throughout the streets of Los Angeles, it was like on the back of like this kind of like truck thing. And look, so they brought this over here, and now it's an art exhibit here at the Brea Tar Pits, the LACMA Museum of Arts. So this rock has been here for about, I think 8-9 years now when they brought it here. So now it's here on these like slabs of like concrete, steel right here. If you can see this one, and you can see this one right here. So they brought this whole thing here throughout the streets of LA. They shut down the streets and everything, I remember. And now it's here as a permanent art exhibition here at LACMA on Wilshire Boulevard. If you guys ever come to Los Angeles, just come see this, you know, it's something to see, all right? So you guys are probably wondering, like, how is it there? I mean, it's bolted in. It's not just up on steel plates. It's in there, bolts probably bigger than my arm. It's thoroughly safe. So this place is located on Wilshire and Fairfax. If you guys are ever here in Los Angeles, California, come on through. It's really cheap. This is free. If you guys want to go in the museum, I think it's like $25 or something. So this place is like almost for like my history people, my artsy people. If you guys are like a clubbing kind of crowd, this is not for you. This is like a place to kind of just come and explore arts, explore city, explore history. What else? Let's go see. So I'm walking up to this light art exhibition right now, you guys. There's about 212 different lights here, different styles. It's stuff from like the 1920s, from like old Los Angeles, all right, you guys? So they pretty much took a whole bunch of lights from the past, refurbished them, and made them boom into this. Alright, so when you guys get here, you can literally like come into the lights. You can hug them if you guys want to. You can hug them. Don't kiss them though, because people touch them. A little dirty. But you guys can like literally be a part of this art exposition. You know, I can never say that word, you guys, but you can be a part of this art, okay? And man, look at it. So pretty much it's just a whole bunch of different old lights from the 1920s in Los Angeles. They refurbished them. You can see they like painted them, so you can see everything on here, you guys. It's fresh paint, you know, they keep it clean. And yeah, let's take a look at it, right? Get here, this is like the photo place. You got people like, you got families taking photos over here and stuff. You got like kids over here with their families taking pictures. You got people vlogging over here like me. You got people taking pictures for the Instagram, for the Twitter and everything. It's just a cool place to be. Like, even if you guys just like need to get out and walk, even if you live here, like you've never been here, like just come on through. Like, it's just a fun thing to do. There's a bar, and you know I'm gonna be heading to the bar right before this vlog is over, have a little drink before I let you guys go. But let's keep taking a look around here at LACMA. So there's 16 different types of like street lamps here. 16 different types, from all the way from like the 1920s, the 1930s, and they refurbished them, brought them here, and now boom, they're here for everyone to see in all their glory. Listen, this vlog might not be for some of you guys, but you know, this is art. Some people like it, some people don't. But either way, I need y'all to like and subscribe if you're watching this. It's totally free. Just like, subscribe, go ahead and hit the bell button, follow me too. Man, this is like kind of like, it's really cool over here, you guys. Just walking this stuff is like, I mean, it's not like breathtaking or anything like that, but it's art. It's just something to do. You know, you just kind of like walk up in here. It's just like something to do, you know. I kind of come here sometimes just to clear my mind, to like think about my next vlog, just to be around people, and sometimes just to get away from people when it's kind of empty here. If you're a local, you know what times to come here and when it's empty. So you guys, I know I told you already, there is a bar over there, and we're gonna go there real quick, I promise. So they have this, and then there's also the Brea Tar Pits. Now, I'm not too sure, but I think it's kind of under construction, so don't hold me to it. If they're under construction, I'm gonna make this part 2 for another vlog I'll do when it finally opens up. It may be in a month, it may be in 2 months, I don't know. But let's go see what's happening at the Brea Tar Pits and say bye-bye to the lights for now, you guys. It's Cali Kurt, keep going, let's go. Wait, so fun fact before I leave here, these lights, they come on at nighttime. They don't change colors or anything like that, but they come on like, you know, like they're still new. But just fun fact, you guys. So when you guys come to the Brea Tar Pits, they still have like some of the pits where they are literally like still unraveling like dinosaur bones and other things like this right here. Alright, so that was just like one of their like tar dig exhibits, I guess you can call it that. And then they have some more things over here. I'm gonna just walk over here and let's go see. Right, so they have more exhibits over here, you guys. It's like a dig tar exhibit, and I mean, let's just take a look at that while we're here, right? What's up, y'all? So that's it for today's video. I need you guys to like and subscribe. Don't forget, it's LACMA, the Los Angeles County Museum of Arts, here in Los Angeles on the Miracle Mile District. It's Cali Kurt, y'all. I'm out.